Díomh cuairde mu tríofa an seo tásúla go gcuaisibh go maith aniu fáilte over as go dtí scéalta le hAoife, mu sé bhré inis le haon céad céil eile atá agan. Tá ionach gá, feidh over glúsa béarla. Open up your English ears and we're ready now for another book that's written in English for us. And this book is about magic. Well, actually, just one magic moment. And this book is called The Magic Moment. Look at this. I wonder what kind of magic will go on in a swimming pool. This book was written by Niall Breslin and the pictures were done by Sheena Dempsey. So let's see what kind of magic we're dealing with. Freddie stood at the end of his mum and dad's bed, wearing the new swimming gear they had bought him. "Is it time to go swimming yet?" Freddie asked. "Oh, not for another few hours, Freddie," said his very sleepy mum. Look, he's already in his swimming gear. Freddie lay on the floor and practiced his swimming stroke. Today, for the first time, he would be swimming in a real pool. "Come and eat your breakfast, Freddie. Even little dinosaurs need energy," laughed his mum. Freddie felt too excited to eat, but his mum had made his favourite breakfast. Freddie's dad said he had to wait a whole hour after eating his breakfast before he could go swimming. It felt like forever. So, while he waited, Freddie helped his dad pack the swimming bag. Dinosaur armbands? Check. Swimming togs? Check. Towel? Check. But where were his goggles? Oh, look who has his goggles. When they arrived at the pool, Freddie rushed into the changing room. There were lots of bigger boys there. They were very loud and excited too. Suddenly, Freddie's tummy felt a bit funny. He didn't quite feel so keen to jump in. "It's too cold, Dad. I don't want to go swimming today." "It's okay, Freddie," said his dad gently. "You'll warm up in no time." "No, Dad, I just want to go home," said Freddie. Freddie felt really sad that he was too afraid to get into the water. He was so sorry he didn't get the chance to use all the cool swimming gear that his mom and dad had bought him. "Don't worry, we'll go again another day and you'll be fine. You'll like it once you get used to it," said his dad. But Freddie had decided he was never going back. It was too scary. That night, one of Freddie's favourite people came to visit. Nana always had time to read him stories and sing songs. Nana asked Freddie about his trip to the pool, so he told her he had been too afraid to get in. "It's okay to feel scared, Freddie," said Nana. "Really, Nana?" he replied with surprise. "Would you like me to teach you a very special trick that you can use every time you feel a bit scared or sad?" Freddie's eyes lit up. "Yes, please, Nana." This must be the magic. While Nana helped Freddie get ready for bed, she explained the trick. "Close your eyes and think of the happiest, most fun day you can remember." Freddie had so many happy memories that he wasn't sure which to choose. He thought of the cool new bike he got on Christmas Day, and the time he went to the fun park and won his dinosaur teddy. But the happiest, most fun day in the whole world was the day he got his dog, Larry. He thought about Larry jumping up and licking his face and chasing him all over the house. They had played all day until they both fell asleep under the apple tree that Freddie's dad had planted for him when he was born. "I've got my happy memory, Nana," said Freddie. "Okay, Freddie, now squeeze your thumb and finger on each hand together really tight. Take 10 deep breaths and keep thinking about that magic moment. And remember, when you're scared or feeling sad, a little bit angry, a little bit mad, just slow down and start to breathe in and out 10 times with ease. Think of something that makes you smile and hold the thought for a little while. Then squeeze your fingers really tight and your magic moment will shine so bright. Freddie woke up the next morning feeling so much better. He thought about how sad he felt coming home from the pool, but then he thought about the new trick Nana taught him. The magic moment worked! Maybe he would give swimming one more try after all. When Freddie went back to the pool with his dad, the big noisy boys were there again. He put his thumbs and fingers together, closed his eyes, and took 10 deep breaths, just like Nana taught him. "What are you up to, Munchkin?" asked his dad. "I'm just doing my magic moment trick." I wonder if it worked. Look! Freddie stood at the side of the pool. He took a deep breath, held his nose, and splash! He jumped right in. And that was the most magical moment of all. Oh, wow, look. And this is the magic moment trick again. Will I read it again? So, this is the magic moment trick. When you're scared or feeling sad, a little bit angry, a little bit mad, just slow down and start to breathe in and out 10 times with ease. Think of something that makes you smile and hold the thought for a little while. Then squeeze your fingers really tight and your magic moment will shine so bright. Isn't that a lovely book? I think that's a really nice one. So whenever you're feeling a bit stressed or a bit sad or confused, just take a minute, take 10 deep breaths, and hopefully you'll feel a little bit better after your magic moment. Now, Támuid críochna inis, so close your English ears. Slán inis a cóide tá súla go gurhain sibh taithne bhas é sin agus feicim is sibh an chéidir eile. San!